Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's super important, especially for all you aspiring teachers out there: how to apply for school teacher intern jobs in Pakistan. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to know that the National Testing Service (NTS) is the authority that conducts all the exams for school teacher intern jobs in Pakistan. To apply, you'll need to visit their official website, which is www.nts.org.pk. Now, here's a little secret. The NTS website can be a bit tricky to navigate, especially if you're new to it. So, to make things easier for you, we've created a step-by-step guide on how to apply for school teacher intern jobs in Pakistan. You can find it on our website, and it's absolutely free. Once you've got your hands on our guide, follow these simple steps. 1. Visit the NTS website and create an account. 2. Log into your account and fill out the application form. 3. Pay the application fee using a credit card or debit card. 4. Print out your application form and take it to the nearest NTS office. 5. Sit for the exam and wait for your results. Remember, the application process can be a bit time-consuming, but it's definitely worth it if you're passionate about teaching. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of being a school teacher intern in Pakistan. First and foremost, you'll have the opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of young people. You'll also gain valuable teaching experience, which can help you land a full-time teaching job in the future. Plus, you'll be working in a supportive environment with other passionate educators. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the application process, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our website also offers a step-by-step guide on how to prepare for the school teacher intern exam in Pakistan. This guide will help you understand the exam pattern, the types of questions you'll be asked, and how to study effectively. And there you have it, folks. Our guide on how to apply for school teacher intern jobs in Pakistan. We hope this information has been helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.